Hello and welcome to the free online woodworking school, where in this 13-part series I'm going to be teaching you how to make this shaker table. This design of furniture was popularized in the late 1700s and 1800s under the shaker movement. Honestly, I don't know much more about it than that, but what it basically describes is a design that's very clean, very minimal, with subtle tapers and very good joinery. I don't know. We've got dovetails and things in this. We've got a veneered top. I might have gone a bit excessive from the kind of minimalism that the movement was popularized for, but it's a good demonstration of skills. Speaking of which, by watching this 13-part series, the skills you're going to learn are going to be layout, mortise and tenons, lap dovetails, planing leg tapers by hand, making a drawer, including layout, construction and fitting it. We're going to be veneering a top, which will also include putting a solid wood lipping on it, as well as routing an inlay line. We're also going to cover some assembly techniques, as well as sanding and finishing. Quite a lot in this simple design, but what I love about this is that the design is so universal. You can do all sorts to this, including widening it, making it taller. You could put curves on it. There's so many things you can do with this, and what I've made here as a kind of side table is effectively just the sort of base point in which you can build everything from. And this series will teach you all the skills you need to adapt this design to suit you. Now, in terms of plans, they are currently free to download from my website, which is linked below. These were actually provided as part of a SketchUp series I did, which taught the basics of how to use SketchUp and how to build models in order to draft designs that you're working on. Now, I'm no expert on SketchUp, but if you are wanting to take this design and change it to suit your needs, then go and check out that series as well. In addition to digital plans, project packs for this are also available, where you can order pre-machined material in a variety of materials, I may add, that can get sent straight to your door, so then you can get stuck in with doing all of the joinery without having to go and source material, plane and size it accordingly. We take care of all of that, and we're going to be shipping it straight to your doors. And so again, a link to that is in the description below, and you'll also find project packs for all of the previous projects that we've taught here, such as the Dovetailed Box, the cabinet, and also the Toolbox, and we will have many more to come over the next few months and years. We do these videos to kind of lower the barrier of entry to woodworking, and that's why we provide them completely free. Of course, we do have to monetize it in some areas. Sometimes the plans are for sale, sometimes we sell project packs in order to get something back, but on the whole, we break even at the most. Throughout this series, I occasionally recommend tools and books that you can purchase to help you with this project, and often if you purchase the products by using the link that we provide, we will get a small commission at no extra cost to you. We've also got a Patreon page where you can pledge a certain amount per month in order to support us, and from our perspective, it's pretty much the only form of security income we have. But on the whole, we just do these videos because we want to help people out. I was very fortunate when I started in that I had a furniture making school just down the road from me, but a lot of people don't have that luxury, and so we're doing what we can to help out. So I do hope you enjoy this series. Please be aware that this builds on skills taught in some of the previous lessons, but you don't necessarily need to make those in order to complete this. But at the very least, I would recommend going back and watching through the series just to kind of understand some of the basic principles that we're going to be covering again while making this. I shall stop rambling now, and I'll let you get on with the series. I hope you enjoy watching it, and if you're building it, best of luck.